Clicker's Frenzy. Yeah, let's play it. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's hashtag Boss Turtle. You know, it's me, the Turtle Squad Master of Awesomeness. Yes. And, oh my god, this dude already has it. Why am I stone? The heck is this game? Oh god. Wait, do you get to keep it? I feel so much like a scrub because I never played like this with the face. Like, that is scary to do that. Like, way blocky, no clothes. Where are the clothes? Game passes. How much are they? Oh, that's for 500 Robux. And yeah, no, I'm doing that. So I just got onto this game and I forgot what we do in this game. Like, end up trades. Trades for what? What do I do? I received this 0 stuff. I don't really get this game, guys, so we're just gonna leave it. Like, okay, so we're gonna go back to the Roblox main page. Oh yeah, there's a new game that came out and it's really fun. In my opinion, it's better than Zombie Rush. It's called Zombie Attack, and it's a really fun game. So my girlfriend's in here, and her friend, hey, okay, I got the M16. You start out with a pistol like always. Okay, so what I like to do is just have the zombies come for me because I like all of the zombies. See, this game you level up quicker, but my friends think that you don't. Like, Zombie Rush you do level up better, but this game is like addictive for me. Like, I'm addicted to this game. Slime. No. No, I'm on fire. Die, die, die. No. Die. Yes, die. Okay. Hi. Someone said hi. Looks like this guy needs help, but he's okay because I helped him out. Okay, these zombies need to go. Yo, why is there like a swarm of them? Oh my god, they're everywhere. They're everywhere. Zombie evasion. Infestation of zombies. Die. Die. Okay, so the next round, as you guys can see, oh wait, hold on, let me just kill the zombie. As you guys can see, wave until boss. Yeah, they're gonna have me in their like boss turtle, I think. Hopefully they have a boss turtle, a turtle boss. No! No! Oh wow. So we're almost to the sniper. Let me show you what we can do with these. You get like these guns, and then I'm gonna get this sniper next after this one because I already got the M16. Excuse the noise in the background, sorry. Okay, now it's the boss round. Oh, the mega tank is so easy to wreck. Boy, I swear, we're gonna win this. Instead of us running away from the zombie, like, oh, finally the zombie comes at us. I'm literally like just chasing the zombie. No, come here, back. No, no, don't run away. Oh my God, Waldo, why you Waldoing away? Come on, man, that's not cool. Can't be Waldoing like that. If you guys want me to play any game, put it in the comments down below on Roblox. Like literally any game. This is so easy. He's almost dead. Oh nah. That's not cool. No. He is gonna die. No. No, the turtle squad. Turtle squad. No. Why? Okay, now this is much more easier to control the zombies so they could die. See how easy? Oh my god, die. No! No! They're everywhere. Oh my god. Die, zombie. Why aren't you dead? Okay, fine. Oh my god. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna have to end off the video right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Comment down, zombies must die, because they really must die. And yeah, now we'll see what happens. And yeah, so yeah, guys, that's all for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to be a member of the Turtle Squad, and peace.